Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to click the subscribe button below and also click on that bell icon. It will definitely notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I make my oat fufu, and all you need for this recipe is just oat. So now I am adding my oat inside the blender because I am going to blend it up first before using it to make my oat fufu. So now I am blending it up in the blender. So I'm going to be using this pan to make my oat fufu. I like using this pan because it gives me a whole lot of space when it comes to turning the fufu around. So I'm not limited in a short space. So it gives me a big space to turn my fufu around. So now I have added my oat fufu inside the pot and I am mixing it up together, and I will keep mixing it up like this until my fufu is done. But I am going to be adding a little bit of water each time I notice that the fufu is getting a little bit hard. I will keep adding tiny bit of water until my fufu is done. So a good tip of making your fufu or getting your fufu to be very soft is for you to bring in the muscle and keep mixing it, keep turning it properly, keep working it, and you will see your fufu getting very soft, and also there will not be any lumps in them when you turn them very well and put your muscle in them and give them a very good turn. And like I said, I am still adding a tiny bit of water as I go. And the main reason I like using this pan is that this pan doesn't stick. Like I feel like whenever I'm using pot to make a fufu, half of it sticks on the pot. So but when I'm using this pan, it doesn't stick at all. Like my fufu, like I'll turn my fufu and I will still bring out my fufu without it sticking or burning to the pot. So you're going to cook your fufu for about 10 minutes, and then after that you bring it out and put it on the plate. So now my fufu is on the plate and I'm using my hand to knead it and massage it properly. I learned this method from my mother. Each time she finished making her fufu, she will massage it properly. So yeah, so now I am going to wrap it up with a cling film and let it sit again for maybe 5 minutes. Just let it cool down first before you dive in. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.